My name is Cameron. I'm going to show you how to make a volcano. So, you need 2 cups and tape them together, and then make sure they're plastic or paper. Then cut out a hole like that. Mine's a little bit sloppy, but then you need vinegar, baking soda, and red food coloring. And now we're gonna go out back. Make sure you do this outside your house, not inside. So now, put some, like about half the cup of vinegar in, or half the cup of this vinegar in. Oops. Like this is good. Now, add the food coloring. Add food coloring about like 8 drops. Make it look like lava. Now you need to pour a little bit of baking soda. Make sure you stand back after you do this. It comes up. See? Now that's how you make a volcano. Thanks for watching and have a great time.